There's a lot of fun things about homeschooling high school, but I'm guessing that record keeping is not in your top 10 of fun things. My name is Lee Benz, and I'm the homescholar, and my mission is helping parents homeschool high school. And what I'd like to do is to try to teach you how to create course descriptions and the other paperwork that we're required to keep, and do it in a fun way that will make sense to even you without your education degree, so that we can make sense of this homeschooling high school together. Hopefully, your children will win some scholarships just like mine did based on their course descriptions. It can really show the rigor of your homeschool. So please join me for my next free class, the Course Description Harvest Party. And I'm going to teach you how to reap the rewards of all those years of homeschooling so that you can earn scholarships for your children as well. My free class has no charge, obviously, but there is a limited space available. So what I'd like for you to do is to register so that you can join me online. I'm going to give you lots of instruction on how to make transcripts, course descriptions, reading lists, activity lists, letters of recommendation. What we're going to do is cook up some marvelous homeschool records. You'll have plenty of time to get your questions answered at the end. And I'm looking forward to meeting you online soon, getting to know each other. I'll see you soon. Take care.